Hey guys, I'm Londie. Welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you know this about me, but when it comes to makeup and beauty, I am as basic can get. Okay, I really want to know how to do like makeup and lashes and all of that stuff. You probably can't even tell that I have makeup on. Okay, I do have on makeup. It's just eyeshadow, blush, which I actually use my eyeshadow for blush, and mascara, and I typically use my fingers to put the stuff on. I mean, like, beyond basic. Okay, I just need you to understand. So when Glamnetic reached out to me, so you never heard of Glamnetic? They have those really cool eyelashes that like are magnetized, so you put them on easily from what I see, like the strip eyelashes, and they have like magnets on it, and it's like something in the eyeliner that it just kind of snaps to basically. So I figure if I had any chance of knowing how to put on eyelashes, if I had any chance of learning how to put on eyelashes, this was probably the simplest route for me to go. I've had eyelashes, I think maybe 3 times in my life. I never put them on myself. When I say I am a novice, and I told them this, y'all, okay? When they reached out to me, I'm like, listen, I don't even know how to put on eyeliner. So this is gonna be real interesting. But they were okay with it. They said okay. They sent me out some really pretty lashes. So I'm gonna try on 2 for you guys today. I'm hoping that this turns out right. I am extremely nervous and very uncomfortable. This is completely outside of my comfort zone, okay? Let me show you the packages. So they come either like this in this package here, or like this in this package. Either package, it has like a strip so that the lashes actually stay magnetized to the strip when you're not using them, which is nice, because from what I hear, a lot of times the ladies, you guys lose your lashes. You might find one all over the place. So that's cool that, you know, you can just put them back in there and they'll just go right back onto this the little magnet strip, so you won't lose them. These lashes are called Living, which I think they're like the shortest length out of all the ones that they sent me. It says, never get so busy making a living that you forget to make a life. It's good advice, y'all. They gave me this is the liquid magnetic eyeliner. So this is what I'm gonna put on first, y'all. It's gonna be terrible. So I'm just gonna say this. If you wanna see an honest review, like let's say maybe one of you don't know how to put on lashes, makeup, just like me. You're gonna get an honest review from somebody who's in the same boat as you. If you do know how to do this is probably just gonna be entertainment for you. So either way, just stick around and we'll see how this is about to go. All right, so I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, so it says you're supposed to shake it before each use. So I'm gonna do that. Shook it, and then this is the little lash thing, well, eyeliner, whatever. So I'm supposed to put this on, and I really don't even, I don't know what I'm doing. So with I guess I can't even see, y'all. I can't. Okay, so I got a mirror right here too. Oh Lord Jesus, help me. That was a lot. Okay, so let me just do. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm even putting this on the internet, man. Okay, so let me do the other one. I think I put it in my eye. Y'all, I done got it all up here. Lord have mercy. I hope I put enough on here to see if the lashes actually stick to it. I am so sorry, Glamnetic. This has nothing to do with y'all's product and everything to do with me. So I think you're supposed to let it dry for a little bit. Yo, I can't even tell if I got it on there right. It says 80% dry. You're supposed to put the lashes on. I don't know what that means. Okay. I don't even know which is the right one. God. Hold on. It sticks. Now I will say that. Y'all, what did I do? Is this even the right eyelash? Okay. Something seems wrong. I don't know. I feel like I'm sorry, I'm all up in y'all's face. I don't know. Is this they go on. Let me say that. It literally has nothing to do with the product. I don't know what I'm doing. But they snap on very easily. Oh, I done got the stuff all on my nails. I just did my nails. Y'all, something ain't right. It ain't right. I don't know if I don't think I got these on right. This is terrible. Look at me. Something is wrong. And I don't have like a close-up mirror. I'm using the viewfinder in this little mirror. This mirror I done rigged behind my cat tree. I don't have no beauty set up. I mean, I don't think I have enough liner for this one. I don't think I put any at the end, and that's the problem. That's why this one is sticking, but it won't stick at the end because I didn't put any liner right there. And people be doing like those wing liners. My sister-in-law do it. I mean, she wears it every day. People do it so easy. I don't understand. Okay, yep, I didn't have any there because it's stuck. Let me tell y'all this. I'm not for sure if they're on right. Let me show y'all. I don't know if they are or not. I mean, they on there though. Sorry. I'm so sorry. This is so okay. So yeah, that's these. I mean, I got on lashes. Are they right? I don't know. So again, these are the living the living lashes, which makes sense because they seem to be the most natural looking, which I like. I feel like they're not it's not too much, especially for somebody who doesn't ever wear lashes. I mean, let me say this. I got them on, y'all. Y'all watch me do the whole thing. So they on there. Are they on there right? I don't know, but that's user error, okay? That ain't Glamnetic error. So let me try one other one. Let me see. This is Lavish. Let me see. And they just come off easy. And my lashes ain't with it, so that is a win for me. And this is the little strips in there, so just put it right back on there. It sticks to the strips. They also have anchors included that you can put just to, I guess, like to weigh it down, as far as like to get it to lay down and look more I guess natural, or line up better with your lashes. You can also cut them if you need to. I'm saying this like I know what I'm talking about, y'all, but you can. All right, so let's try the Lavish lash. Yeah, these are definitely lavish. Okay. It amazes me though how they really just stick to the where I put the liner. Like it really does. It just like snaps to it. Okay. Y'all, it feel like I got a hat on my head. Like it feel like this feels crazy. So yeah, well, that's Lavish. So it works, right? I mean, I can at least say that. I think Living will be my go-to more for now. I do have some other ones too. Most of them are pretty long, and so maybe I'll kind of build my way up to those ones. It does work as far as like the liner and the actual lashes. It does stick, and it comes, you put them on easily, they come off easily. So can you imagine, y'all, if I was trying to do this with glue? So if if you're a beginner, this is worth it. I'm gonna figure out how to do eyeliner for real, because that was a disaster. But if you can apply eyeliner in any kind of way, you can put these on, especially if you have like a mirror where you can see a little bit better. you can do it. You can put them on. You have lashes and going about your day. So thank you, Glamnetic. I really appreciate y'all still sending this to me, knowing that I am a novice, that I don't know much of anything about it, but y'all were willing to send it out to me, so thank you, and I really appreciate it. All right, so I'll link their website down below, along with the discount code, which is Londie 15 off, to get 15% off of your purchase. So thank you so much for everybody who's tuned in to this experiment. And again, thank you to Glamnetic for sending me these lashes. It's not sponsored, but I can tell y'all for sure. Y'all see I got lashes on my face. They do work. So thank you again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.